So here again, today we will talk about digital printing and the features of Lumise that are suitable for this type of printing. Digital printing is a printing technology that uses an inkjet printer directly on the surface of the printed material, which is convenient for the printing with any orders. There are many benefits of the digital printing that have contributed to its popularity. For example, it can print variety of designs, the color print quality is good, and the costs are lower than the other offset printing methods. This is a great option for the on-demand printing or any printing procedure that needs a faster turnaround time. And of course, Lumise has created its own printing type feature that is suitable for this printing. Let's find out together. You may pick any Lumise printing type that is ideal for the digital printing due to the variety of the printing capabilities. Today, I choose the calculate price per line. The price you give will be multiplied by the number of lines in one box, and the total will be shown. The usual price is the price per line. The pricing remains the same regardless of how many lines you have. When you choose Advanced, you may specify a different price for the different number of lines. You will notice in the first line as seen on the screen, I set the price for one line at $2. When there are two lines, the price is $4. Using the calculation formula, the result will be 4 times 2 equals 8. If the number of lines is more than 2, the system will apply the price of the price per line. In addition, the calculate price with accurate design square inch will also be very suitable. The price will change depending on the size of your design cluster. The smaller the design, the less money you have to spend, and vice versa. To find out more, you can click on the DTG printing video link on the screen or under the description. I've already mentioned this feature, so hopefully this will be very helpful to you. You will notice a layout section where you can change the order or delete the design components or the feature you don't like, as long as it meets your need for the design creation. This ends today's video. If you want to see more video on the different topics, please leave a comment below. Thank you and see you soon.